From guns and goons to a bikini babe, yes, it's quite a cocktail we have a night out tonight. And while Deepika Padukone is literally at her intoxicating best these days, the actor tells us why she's not feeling the love at all, even though she may be trying to mingle in her single state.
Everyone seems to be cheering you on. Like, you've suddenly become very much the it girl. Everyone's talking about how fabulous you're looking in this. So are you like really feeling the love a little extra? It's a hallmark moment for Deepika. It's not a cocktail moment, but it's a hallmark moment. But seriously, aren't you feeling that?
I'm feeling I'm feeling a lot of love towards the film.
Okay.
And I guess that stems from the fact that our intentions of making this film right from day one has only been love.
Confidence that you seem to have as an individual also now. It seems that Deepika Padukone wants to stand up and really be counted. Not that you never did before, but you're not content with just being, one of the top 5, so to speak. You want to be at the top. There seems to be that kind of glint in your eyes, which I can see very close up at the moment. Yeah, everyone we want. So is there that kind of feeling in you right now, would you say?
Right now, the feeling is only and only, trust me, I'm really nervous.
Okay.
I have never felt, apart from maybe my first film, Om Shanti Om, but that also was the whole thing was such a new experience that maybe I didn't realize it.
What are you nervous about particularly? Because it seems like everything is going really well for this film. So what are you nervous about?
And I keep saying this, I've emotionally invested a lot in this movie, physically, emotionally, mentally. I've given it a lot of time. I've invested a lot. So maybe somewhere the feeling is, I just hope that people feel what I feel and appreciate it and love it as much as I do.
Talking about emotional investment, emotional investment is something which obviously takes you out of your comfort zone. But many of your contemporaries kind of like being in that comfort zone. Like, recently Sonam made a comment that, she wants to give Katrina Kaif a bouquet of flowers because she keeps doing the same kind of role over and over again. How does she not get bored? What do you feel about that? Do you feel a lot of people kind of just tend to stick to those comfort zones? And is that going to be your differentiator, really?
Sonam's really sweet. I think she just says
whatever she wants to say.
And no, I think everybody has a pattern and everybody has a different reason for doing what they're doing, and kind of cinema that I enjoy doing. There are certain kinds of roles that I like to play. There's certain risks that I want to take. And all of it may not be right, but it's something that I've always done and I want to do. So everyone has a different journey.
Absolutely. Very, very well said, I have to say. And I'm going to be very different now because I'm not going to ask you about Ranbir Kapoor and what it's like working with him. Yeah, I know, it's shocking. I'm not going to ask you that. But we know that you're single. But at least that's what we think. Single, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Mingling?
Whoa.
What? Okay, that's I'm guessing a yes at some level. Putting
I'm
words in your
focused
mouth.
on my work
right
now.
God, that is so not true. That is so
I'm
not
so hardworking.
Okay, so mingling maybe, but single definitely.
No, not at all actually.
Okay.
Not at all. Just completely focused on my work.
Okay. But oddly enough, you might be single, but it seems like you're really feeling the love for yourself. Is that true?
Nobody loves me, so I have to love myself only.
We love you, don't worry.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display, full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.